Okay, now we're coming to the home stretch. Service time for Coquille St. Jacques. So these are, as I said before, entree-sized dishes. Like I said, they're very rich. You can make them in smaller ones. But I like to put a nice plate underneath it. Anyway, even entree, you can put asparagus on the side as a great side dish. We've also got our breadsticks, so here's how it's done. Okay, so even though these have rested for a while, they're still going to be pretty darn hot. So you like to get a pair of tongs. These are also hot. So I like to get the pastry sticks, the straws, cheese straws, put that on, maybe give everybody two. One sort of fancy one. One that we didn't roll out. You can just put it just like that on the side. Grab our other one. Put that on the side. Give everybody a spoon or even a fork, and they're going to love these. So bon appetit.